Welcome everyone to the beginner course tutorial of Microsoft PowerPoint. The Microsoft PowerPoint is used for the presentation. It means to display information. First of all, in this course and this tutorial, let's open the PowerPoint. So after installing the PowerPoint, just search the PowerPoint and open it. So after opening that, you will see this page on the screen. Here we have built-in templates, themes that you see, and here we can browse more themes also. And here we have a blank presentation. So we will press blank presentation to open a blank presentation. So after opening the blank presentation, so let's first of all explain these things. Okay, that the menu bar and these things. At the top we have, this is the title bar, and this is the quick access menu at the top left corner, and search bar, and this is menu bar that we have menus, and this is ribbon. This all area is called ribbon. Okay, this is ribbon. But on home tab, this is formatting toolbar, this area, okay, which is used for formatting toolbar, these two font and paragraphs. And at the left side, this area is called slide sorter. Okay, we can create another slide also. This area is called slide sorter, and this everyone area is called slide pane, and this is note area that we can add note to our slide, and this is status. Okay, status bar at the end that you see at the left side, and at the right side here we can add comments and see the notes, and these are view buttons. These four are views buttons, and this is zoom slider. Okay, zoom slider. So these were the areas and that we have explained. Now what we can do and what we can display in the PowerPoint presentation. So we can add text. It means to edit and add text. We can add charts, videos, icons, tables, whatever we want. So we can add those things also. And the third thing is a slide, okay, to display our information. So the major component of PowerPoint are that editor, okay, editor to add text, visual. In visual we can add pictures, we can add videos, charts and tables, and the third one is the slide, which will display our information. So now let's create a presentation. So to create a presentation after opening the Microsoft PowerPoint, so let's delete it. Okay, so to delete a slide, for that right click on that and delete it. So we are at the first page, okay, the first slide. So now let's design it. Okay, we have built-in designs that we can apply on our presentation. So move to the design tab in menu bar. So after moving to the design tab, here we have different themes, designs that you can see. Okay, you can also upload from your own computer, or we can just select these. So let's select, for example, I want to select this one. So after selecting that, this design has been applied in all slides. So we can here just variants, okay, that we have different variants for this design. We can change the colors, which color you want, for example. Okay, these are the different color. You can change the font, the effects, and the background style that you can just change. Now let's add, okay, here we have in the slide panes, we can add, for example, this is the title page. So here I will add, for example, what is this presentation about? For example, PowerPoint tutorial. And here we will add a subtitle, for example, by Muhammad Yusuf. Okay, I will just mention my name like this. We can just add this text using formatting toolbar. Come here to the home, and these are used for formatting toolbar. We can change the font, the size, bold, italic, and move to the center or right or left, and whatever you want. So change the color, so you can apply that on this one. Now let's add another slide. So to add a slide, for that we will move to come here to the insert. Okay, after coming to the insert, we have here at the left side slides. In the slide, just press this button. So here we have different options, which one slide we want to open, okay, according to our requirements. For example, in the second page, I want to have a title and content, to have two pens in that. So let's search for that. Okay, for example, which one is suitable? This one. Okay, title and content, this one. If you want just title slide, section header, to content, whatever you want, so just select that, but I will select this one. So here we can add a title, and here we can add the text, the information that we want. So the menus of PowerPoint, for example. Here we will just mention the different menus that we have: File, Home, Insert, Draw, etc. Now let's add one another slide where we can add just this was about text. Okay, we can add text also, whatever you want to explain, so you can explain through that. And in the another, let's add another slide. In that slide I will just add an image or picture. So to add a picture, for that, let's, which one is best for us? For example, let's select this one. Okay, again, so here we have the title. If you don't want to add a title, just remove this pen. Okay, so to remove this pen, just select it and press backspace, so it will remove that pen. So let's just increase the size of this one. So now we can add these visuals. You can add icons, you can add table, you can add charts, you can add picture. For example, let's add a picture or video. So let's select one of them. Let's move to the download section and let's open this one. For example, I have added this image. Okay, this is an image. We can add video also. Resize it wherever you want, so you can add an image. You can add, as I have showed, the icons, the charts, the tables, whatever you want. So just by pressing that button or coming to the insert, here we can add all those things: charts, shapes, 3D models, smart art, whatever you want. So you can add also the video, the audio, and these things we can add in a slide. So if you want to create a chart, you can simply create a chart also. So let's create one. Okay, let's come here to the slides and come here to the blank. In this blank one, I will just create a chart, and let's, for example, which one, pie, line, or column, which one you want. For example, this one. Okay, press OK, and here you will add your data. Just edit the data. It will create the chart related to your data. Just add your data in Excel. So after adding that data, so it will create chart according to that data. So I will just leave it like this. Let's close it. So it will create this chart for us. Let's move it to the center. So if you want to just change this title, also you can change that, and designs, whatever you want. So if you want to add some text here at the top, for that, let's move to the insert and to the shapes. Here just select the text box. Here you can add the text that you want. Now let's move to the transition. Okay, we can apply transition on these slides. So to apply transition on these slides, these are the different transition that we can apply. Okay, for example, on the first one, let's just simply select that one. For example, which one you want? Which one you want? Yeah, this one. So this one has been applied. We can apply on all, or we can just apply one by one. So here you can just change the sound, the duration, apply to all. You can apply it on all. So these are all things you can just do it. Let's, for example, this one. See, this one has been applied. I will apply this one, and this one. Let's apply, for example, this one. So now let's move to the slideshow. Okay, in the slideshow we can just show our slides. It means to display our slides, or we can just display our slides at the last. You have this. Okay, for example, let's press this slideshow button, so it will show our slides. Let's press this button from beginning, so it will just show our slides from beginning. This was the first one, so let's press down arrow key. The second one, the third one. So whenever you want to close it, just press escape button, so it will close it, or whenever you move to the reach to the end, so it will close automatically. So press again, so it will close that. So this was all about how to create a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's now save it. So to save it, for that, let's press the file tab. After pressing that, here we have the save button. So let's press save button where you want to save it. So just, for example, this PC on documents, and just insert a name. You can also save it as PDF. Just select the PDF, but we want to save as PowerPoint PPTX, and let's assign a name, PowerPoint tutorial. That is okay. Let's press save button, so our presentation has been saved on our local drive. So it was all about the Basic are the beginner tutorial of Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.